How to start an ATM machine business in 2025 in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Choose equipment. The first step in how to start ATM machine business is to select your machine. You can purchase your machine from anywhere, really, but you have to keep in mind that you cannot simply purchase a machine and be in business. That machine must be connected to ATM networks, and that can only happen through a processing company. So, it might be best to purchase your equipment from an ATM company that serves as a vendor as well as a processor. That way, you know that the equipment you purchase is compliant, more on this later, and will connect to the processing networks. Step 2. Paperwork and contracts. Second, you'll need to complete the necessary paperwork and contracts. Don't be daunted, though. It's really quite basic and nothing more than you'd need to start any new job or business venture. You'll need to provide a copy of your driver's license, complete a background check, and submit an ACH form. This ensures that you are legally allowed to own an ATM business and lets the ATM company know where to deposit your revenue. And, just like any other job, you'll need to complete a W-9 form for tax purposes, as well as any other contracts or documents required by the ATM company who will process your transactions. For example, the ATM company will need documentation of what denominations you plan to dispense and how much you plan to surcharge. This can always be changed, so don't worry. Once you're in business, you'll get a better idea of what you need to service your customers. Step 3. Find a location. This is the fun part. We can give you all the advice in the world, but when it comes down to it, you really know best. The best locations really depend on where you're located. Where is there a gap in the market? What businesses do you already have a good relationship with who might benefit from ATM services? What locations are convenient for you to commute to? These are all factors when it comes to choosing locations to partner with for ATM placements. But of course, it comes down to a little bit of research on your part. What locations need ATM service? What locations are unhappy with their current provider or just need an upgrade? These are prime opportunities for you. Then, once you find a location that is interested in partnering with you, you will want to develop a contract that meets the needs of both parties. Part of your startup paperwork will include a placement agreement that stipulates a number of policies. Will you share the surcharge revenue? Who is responsible for vaulting? Who will be providing the internet connection? What happens if one party wants out of the contract? These are all clauses you'll want to consider in a contract between yourself and the location owner. Step 4. Choose your surcharge. A major part of operating an ATM business is setting your surcharge fee. This is the fee that users pay to use your machine out of network from their own bank network. This is how you make money from your machine. This fee is increasing across the country, so anywhere from $3 to $3.50 is becoming the standard. However, it's a good idea to gauge the fees in your area to make sure you're offering a competitive rate. It doesn't make any sense, for example, to set a $4 surcharge fee if the ATM down the street offers ATM service for $3 a transaction. Alternatively, if the ATM down the street offers a $4 surcharge fee, you stand to make a lot more in just quantity if you offer a $3 surcharge fee. Step 5. Install your machine. Once you have your equipment and location chosen, you can install. Installation is fairly simple. You can do it yourself, or if you choose, can hire a technician to install it for you. The most important installation tip is to bolt your machine down. Making sure that your equipment doesn't budge is a huge deterrent to thieves. Your equipment can come pre-programmed, but if it isn't, this is also something you can easily take care of yourself either with the help of a user manual, technician call, or video. Once you're installed and programmed to communicate with the network, you're in business and ready to make money. By staying knowledgeable of these developments and adapting your business strategy, you can position your ATM business for success in the evolving financial landscape of 2025. Ready to get started? ATMdepot.com can help. Get your free ATM startup kit or contact us today. Check out our complete guide on how to start an ATM business for beginners. Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.